Hello everyone, and welcome back to another installment of Wolin Design Group's presented Vinci Unified training videos. Today we'll be talking about managing small parcel. Today we'll be going over how to set up small parcel within both your accounts and carriers. And we'll talk about managing small parcel for shipping orders. Before we continue with our lesson, be sure to have taken a look at some of these previous videos. To start this lesson off, we will navigate ourselves to the Shipping Orders tab and open up an order. For this example, we are going to select a carrier that is known as a small parcel. Notice that once we've selected a small parcel carrier, a tab appears in our selection labeled Small Parcel. We'll dive into that in a second. Before we do, it's important that we make sure we have small parcel set up correctly in our accounts and carriers to ease our process along. In account editing, towards the bottom, you will find a tab for small parcel. It's important to update the account with the appropriate small parcel account codes for the carriers that you will use. These account codes are provided by the carrier. Also, be sure to select which reference values you wish to be displayed on the labels. Usually reference 1 and 2 are supported by all carriers, and then 3 and 4 are supported by some carriers. After you have filled in all your desired fields, be sure to save. Our next step is to be sure our carriers are set up. So we navigate to Business Partners and select Carriers. From here, you will find the Small Parcel tab that is mirrored after the Accounts Small Parcel tab. After that, we have the Small Parcel Service class. It is here that you can select the service type for the carrier type. So we've saved, and now we're set up. It's time to apply this to that shipping order we began with. Back to the order, we are now ready to select the Small Parcel tab. Be sure to select the service type, account, and payment, and that they are filled in correct. If you wish to make a correction to payment, you can do so on the general front page in the bill of freight. If the freight bill terms are set to prepaid, then the account is billed. If the freight bill of terms are set to third party or collect, then the account provided in the bill freight to is billed. Also on Small Parcel, the package details. Both size and weight can be added manually. The labels can also be printed from the screen, but it isn't the most efficient or common way to handle packages and labels. We'll discuss this further in a separate video. That's all the time we have today in our lesson for managing small parcel. Be sure to check back with us for more videos on how to use Vinci Unified. And if you have further questions or would like to set up a training session, feel free to contact our support. Or check out our detailed documentation online. Thanks for watching.